Okay, so this is what it looks like for a student to log into Naviance. Notice at the top I'm at student.naviance.com/Fort Morgan High School. Fort is FT, high school HS. So students log in with their student email. The password has been preset to Mustangs for all of them. They log in. When they get here, there's all kinds of stuff to click on. However, when we ask them to work on Naviance lessons, they scroll down to the bottom of the page, find the blue College and Career Readiness Lessons box, click there, and it will open their Naviance lessons. After they're complete, I believe this flag here turns to green or something, and it tells them what percent done they are with their lessons. These, unfortunately, are not numbered on this screen. However, they go top to bottom, left to right, just like you read. So the first lesson is what do you know, followed by my college applications and so on. So that's what that looks like for the student.